How to fix read the theme not showing. Hello guys, if you want to fix this problem, first step, click settings, click apps and notifications, click apps and go to scroll down for search your app thread or search here, click for stop and click OK, click storage and click clear data, OK, and clear cache. After these steps, to restart your phone and turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on your Wi-Fi. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.